Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert arrow in Word. Open your Word document. As a first option, from the Insert menu, click on Shapes. Select the desired arrow. When selecting it, press the Shift key on your keyboard and drag to the desired size. From the Shape Format menu, display the Shape Outline option and choose a color for the arrow. If you wish, again from the Shape Outline, click on Weight and select the desired width for the arrow. You can click on the arrow and from the pointer move it as needed in the file. Another option that we offer you is from the Insert menu to click on Symbols. Click on More Symbols. In this window, with the symbol font, locate the different arrows. Select each of them and click Insert. Click close and now you can select these arrows and change their font and size if you wish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, from Insert, you can click on Equation. After that, from the Equation menu, select each of the arrows you want to add. These will be added automatically. You can edit these arrows as needed. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.